Morning, folks. Today I want to show you a nice way of cleaning windows using this squeegee and using a ceramic 3-in-1 rinseless or waterless wash. So why am I using this product specifically today? It's a lubricant, and it also gives you some kind of form of protection, at least product. And the squeegee is a really good tool for a nice window finish. So obviously, before you want to start finessing your windows, you want to use this sponge, or you can use a clay bar or any other, or clay mitt, whatever you prefer. So this window has been pre-treated. It's contaminant free. So what I want to do now is I want to finesse this window using the squeegee, because it will leave a really fun and nice finish, streak free. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shake the bottle up, cover the windows with this detailer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use straight motions to glide all the water down, or you can use this kind of motion. And this is perfect size for squeegee to get into all this tight corners, and you want to kind of guide it down. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pick up all of the cleaner or quick detailer. I'll slightly drag it down there. I want to pick it up, just wipe it down. And what I'm left here, guys, is with a perfect finish on the window. And this is just nice. There's no cloth, that might be left after a microfiber towel, and it just leaves a nice, clean, streak-free surface. So it's one of the best methods you can really use. This is a really nice squeegee. You can get it on Amazon, and it's not big. That's why you can get in a lot of tight areas. You can get a bigger one on your windscreen if you want, or the back glass of your car. What I like about this method, guys, is because I'm using a quick detailer, I'm also leaving some nice protection behind. And I'd never used a dedicated window cleaner because I just find no use to it. I like using a universal chemicals like this quick detailer that I showed you. It's just pretty straightforward for me, and I don't have to overthink it. It cleans, leaves a nice surface. I'm going to go through this again, scoop it down. That's my method. I don't have to use any twist movements. I just scoop it down, right, just like that. And then on the side here, and what's remaining on this corner, I'm just simply going to finesse it. Simply going to use a microfiber towel to collect what's ever remained on the corner there. So yeah, surfaces of the glass is extremely clean now. I'm going to use it on the inside as well. So yeah, there's no streaks whatsoever. Leave me a nice waxed, coated. And the surface is really slick. So yeah, guys, definitely recommend this method. So I want you to like and subscribe and share your thoughts on how you clean your car windows or windows in general. So